Language from the book Grammar Tree, chapter number 1, Nouns, Proper, Common and Collective. Part is C and D. So students, your part A and B we have completed in the class, and now moving to your part C. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns chosen from the given list. Rope, pack, chest, crew, band, coven, herd, litter, trope, nest, library, troop. Number 1. Kamran chose the smallest puppy of the litter as his pet. Number 2. All the furniture the room had was a bed and a chest of drawers. Number 3. Somebody had stolen the valuable rope of pearls. Number 4. The crew of the sinking ship managed to save all the passengers. Number 5. The coven of witches met at midnight in the wood. Number 6. The troop of actors were rehearsing a new play. Number 7. When they cut down the tree, they found a nest of snakes in it. Number 8. The magician showed us many tricks with a pack of cards. Number 9. We saw a herd of elephants crossing the river. Number 10. The band of robbers was hiding in the forest. Number 11. The troop of soldiers crossed the bridge at night. Number 12. Our school library has many interesting books. Now moving our part D. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and state whether they are proper, common or collective. Number 1. My mother bought a bunch of bananas from the market. So what is mother? Mother is common noun. Bunch of bananas, collective noun. Market is common noun.